In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice from your Wise Business dashboard. We'll walk through the full process from start to finish so you can send a professional invoice clearly and confidently. This is a useful feature if you want to bill a customer directly through Wise and make it easy for them to pay using the details already connected to your account. To begin, go to your Wise Business dashboard and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct business profile if you manage more than one account or balance. Starting from the right profile helps ensure the invoice is issued from the correct business information. Next, look for the Invoices section and select Create Invoice. This will open the invoice setup page where you can enter all the key details your customer needs in order to review and pay the bill. Wise keeps this process fairly straightforward, which makes it easy even if you're creating an invoice for the first time. Now fill in your client information, along with the payment terms and the line items for the invoice. For the client section, enter the customer's business or billing details carefully so the invoice is addressed correctly. In the payment terms area, choose or enter the due date and any relevant terms that explain when payment is expected. Then, in the line item section, add the products or services you're charging for. Make sure each item is clear and accurate, including descriptions, quantities, and amounts, so your customer can understand exactly what they're being billed for. Before sending anything, check that your Wise local bank details are attached as the payout destination. This is an important part of the setup because it tells Wise where the payment should go once your customer pays the invoice. If the correct local bank details are already linked, you're good to continue. If not, make sure the right payout destination is selected before moving on. It's always worth reviewing this step carefully to avoid payment delays. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invoice. Wise will then deliver a PDF copy of the invoice along with a payment link directly to your customer. That means your customer gets both a professional document for their records and a simple way to complete the payment, and that's it. After sending, it's a good idea to review the invoice status in your dashboard so you can keep track of whether it has been delivered, viewed, or paid. With these steps, you can create and send invoices through Wise Business